my dear friends. Today we are making a very festive dish called Arroz Valenciana, which is quite popular in South America, as well as in the Philippines during the holidays. Come join me in the last episode of A Very Merry Kitchen. Arroz Valenciana can be prepared using various kinds of vegetables and meats. For this version, we are using shrimp and chicken. Here are the rest of the ingredients. Prepare the aromatics. Consists of tomato, onion, and garlic. My sous chef shall also prepare the rest of the vegetables. Carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, peas, and the optional dried cranberries, and roasted pine nuts. First, sauté the aromatics until soft. Add the chicken pieces in. Fry until slightly brown. Add paprika, turmeric powder, salt, tomato paste, pour in the washed rice. Stir until the rice is covered with spices. Pour in the chicken stock. Add the carrots. Once boiling, cover with aluminum foil and lower the heat to medium and cook for about 15 minutes.
Hello, this is Brentwood. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you.
After 15 minutes, the rice should be almost cooked. Uncover the pan and place shrimps on top. Add the julienne green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Add dried cranberries. Green peas. Turn off the heat. Keep the pan covered in aluminum foil for another 10 minutes. Garnish the finished dish with lemon wedges and slices of hard-boiled egg. And there you have it, a festive pan of Arroz Valenciana, the perfect dish to share with your friends and family this holiday season. Thank you very much for watching this series. I wish you all a very merry holidays. Please consider supporting our Plushie channel. Donate through Buy Me a Coffee using the QR code link. Thank you.
Hi, this is Russell. Click here to watch other Plushie videos. Happy Christmas!